It's just here. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Kiss My Jazz, and I'm right on time for the season change. No, but seriously, this is my very first video, and I'm really excited to be sharing it with you guys. If you are interested in how I got this look, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up because there'll be plenty more to come. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So I already did my eyebrows off camera. If you guys are interested in the eyebrow tutorial, make sure you let me know in the comments down below. I'm then going to go ahead and go in with my Wet n Wild face primer, and then I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Baby Skin from Maybelline, the Instant Pore Eraser. After that, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee as a base for my eyeshadow. I'm then going to take my Real Techniques Expert Concealer Brush and go ahead and buff out the concealer on my eyes a little bit. I'm going to use my Morphe 35M Boss Mood eyeshadow palette today in most of the orange shades. Now the palette does come labeled, so the first color I'm going to take into my crease is called Fired Up. And we're just going to put that into the crease until it deepens a bit. Then we're going to go in with the shade Red Carpet right up under Fired Up just to give it a different feel. Next, we're going to do a semi-cut crease on both eyes. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer once again in the shade Toffee, and we are going to add a little dimension to the eye. Kind of set the cut crease, we're going to go back in with the shade Fired Up. We're going to add that on the outer corner of the eye, just working it in a little bit. Then we're going to go back in with Red Carpet and kind of do the same as before. finish out the look, we're going to go in with the shade Bright Eyes, which is a shimmery type of orange, just to make the eyes pop a bit. To get started on the face, we're going to go in with the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Cocoa. After applying the foundation with my beauty blender, I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques complexion brush just to buff out the foundation a bit. Gonna go back in my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Toffee just to highlight my face. So that includes under the eyes, the nose area, around my mouth, my chin area, and my forehead. Once the concealer is set, I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I love this palette as a beginner because it's pretty easy to work with. Everything is kind of set out for you. I'm also using a small sculpting brush that I actually got from the Dollar Tree, I think. Yeah, I think it was Dollar Tree. No matter where I got it from, it was $1. That's what matters. So after letting the concealer sit for a bit, I'm going to go ahead and blend out that concealer with my damp beauty blender. And anytime I apply concealer to my face, I always like to go in with my small concealer brush to buff out the edges a bit because it helps the look come together a little more. And I know I didn't show it, but I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution baking powder in the shade Banana Deep to set those places where I put concealer at. And I don't exactly bake these days unless I know for a fact I'm going to be out somewhere for a long period of time. So I just went in with my damp beauty blender to apply that. And then I'm going to brush it off with my Real Techniques brush once again. Then I'm going to go ahead and use the highlight from the Black Radiance Contour Palette because it's kind of convenient that they all come together. I'm going to apply that to the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and under my brow bone. After applying everything to my face, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Coconut Primer Water. I'm going to apply my lashes off camera, but I wanted to show you guys the style. They are by INV, the 3D collection. And then I'm just going to go in with some mascara for the top and bottom lashes. After applying the mascara, I'm going to just go in with some white eyeliner that I have to apply to the bottom of the lash line. So we're actually going to move on to my favorite part, which is the lips. Well, one of my favorite parts. But I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with a brown eyeliner pencil. Probably got it from the local beauty supply store, not sure. And then I'm going to go in with my NYX Abu Dhabi what is this? The Soft Matte Lip Cream. I'm going to go ahead and go in with that. And then I'm going to actually let it sit for a bit so it can get a little matty. And while the lip gloss is actually drying a bit, I'm going to go back in with that same sparkly orange color and apply that to my bottom lash line. I'm just going to take some clear lip gloss and go over that to kind of blend all of that in a bit. And I know that this is a makeup tutorial, but I'm going to go ahead and let my hair down a bit, honey. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe because there will be more content added soon.